to the Spice of Life, where recipes are meant to be shared. Let's see what's happening in the kitchen today.
Today we will be making banana nut muffins. These muffins are a nice way to use up those overripe bananas that you may have sitting on your counter. The nuts, of course, are optional, but I like the texture and crunch the nuts add, as well as the added protein benefit. They are super easy, and you can make them with common staple kitchen ingredients. They are a great quick breakfast or snack. Let's get started. If you like this demonstration, please let me know by clicking the like button below and subscribing to my channel. I have more great recipes and cooking tutorials on the way. There is also a link to a printable PDF copy of the recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the Spice of Life blog and Facebook page. I hope you check them out. Enjoy!